Hi, it's Sherry, and welcome to The Eyes Have It. Missy wanted to be up. She had to be up, and as soon as I say that, she goes flying. She's like, oh my God, she's making a video again. Well, I am dressed up in my fall best because it is the fall FabFitFun box. Try saying that 3 times. So I'm going to show you what's in the box, and excuse my eye leak, and I'm going to show you what I bought during the edit sale when you can buy products for huge discounts. Okay, so I can never pass this up. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. This is my favorite by far exfoliator. This is probably my 4th tube. I don't need it yet, but you know, I have one going in the shower that, you know, probably will last a little longer, but that's my backup. And then I got, this didn't really turn out the way I thought it was going to be. There was this thing called a Daily Stretch Washcloth by Daily Concepts. And it didn't describe much what it's supposed to be, but it says, we know it goes without saying, but your scrubber will be your new BFF in the shower or bath. Wet, scrub, rinse, repeat, and store in your shower caddy. Anyhow, it is weird feeling. And I didn't realize it said washcloth. I didn't think of it as like a loofah type of thing, but it is. So there it is. And it's very, very textury, as you may be able to see. But yeah, I like that it has the loops on it so that you can get around your back. I have one for when I'm not in the shower that I scratch my back with. But yeah, that'll be awesome. Okay, and let's get into the box. I wish they would stop using these things. I find them all over my house, thanks to my dog dragging things everywhere. Okay, so the cover girl this quarter is Megan Trainor, who is a singer. And let's see what we got. They changed the magazine. I didn't quite like, they used to do this category line, this category line, this category. They're not doing that now. Not quite sure why. So, the first thing I got, and I chose this, was the Plush Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf, which retails for $75. And I thought it was going to be like one of the big sort of almost Ruana kimono kind of things, but it isn't. It's more of an actual scarf. Now let's see if I can get it out of here without 16 noodles coming out with it. So there it is. It's very pretty, very soft. And so it is wider than I thought. Actually, I thought it was black and white. It almost looks like navy and white. What do you guys think? But very nice. It's super soft. And so that'll probably be going around my neck with my winter coat. All right. The next option was an Anthropologie travel yoga mat, which I didn't pick. And the next was an Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler, which I didn't pick because I already have 2. The Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit I didn't get. So that was all one. That was section 1. And a mystery item was also in section 1. Okay, the section 2 begins with a Kate Spade lunch tote, which it's the fanciest lunch tote I've ever seen. It's gold. And it's really pretty, but it's just one big hole in it. It doesn't have pockets or anything, so I would never use that. And I just bought myself a new one before I saw this. Okay, the next thing is Nasty. Oh, goodness. My goodness. My light is just not wanting to behave today. There we go. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't edit anymore, so at least very little. So apologize for that. All right, you can get back up if you want, but you have to be nice. Okay, whoa, come on. That was my bum cream that just went flying. Okay, so there's my boo-boo. My boo-boo wants to see what's going on. Come here. Come see the peoples. Come see the peoples. Oh, there you go. Say hi, peoples. Hi, peoples. Okay. No, down. Off this table. Okay, so the Kate Spade lunch tote was 30. The Nassif MD detox pads were 45. The cut from the cloth striped wallet was 60. And the twine cheesecloth, a cheese board with plate is 30. So that's what I chose because that's something I've never owned, is a cheese plate. Now, of course, it's all the way on the bottom of this thing with 6 million little worms. Okay. I thought that was very nice looking. I have not opened this one yet. Shouldn't take too much. There you go. Yeah, that's something I've never owned, and I just thought it looked so nice, and it really does. The wood looks beautiful. Comes with a little spreader and a little cheese fork. And then you got this ceramic part right here that you can lift out and clean. I love that idea. All right, then we go into part 3. A is the Better Skin Company Lava Magic. B was the Bobble Bar Ferret Ear Crawlers. I definitely didn't get that because I don't have pierced ears. C is the Cosmetics Pure C. I don't even remember which of those I got. Oh, yes, I do. This is a new one. I've never heard this before. This is Cosmetics Pure C. Vitamin C mixing crystals. So apparently you can put vitamin C in stuff that doesn't have vitamin C. It's 100% pure ascorbic acid, and you can add it to your serum and moisturizer, which is actually a pretty cool idea. I already use a vitamin C serum, but I just think that was a pretty cool idea. I don't know how far that will go, but yeah, pretty cool idea. All right. Okay, 4A. A Pare Dual Salt and Pepper Meal. This is another thing I've always wanted. Never bought myself. Get off of there, worms. So there you go. And it does come with Himalayan pink salt on one end and pepper on the other end. I love ground pepper. There's just nothing like it. It is just divine. Oh, I thought they gave it to you. Oh, they show it. They show it with salt and pepper in the thing, but they don't give it to you, which is okay because I have my own. But yeah, very nice. And they have a little divider in there between the salt and the pepper. So I hope that's going to work well. Seems a little loosey-goosey right now, but hopefully it's going to work. Okay, so that was option 4A. 4B was an after spa hair towel wrap. I don't wrap my hair after the shower. I have so little hair, I don't need to. The next was a set of Trustique Mini Eye Essentials, a set of 4. That retails for $48. Really vastly different prices on this group. Everything from $48 down to $18, so depending on what you ordered. Okay, 4D is Skin Evolve Body Boost Gel. And then 5A is the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. I don't think I got that. Oh, maybe I just need to switch the page. There you go. Okay, 5B was a Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-pack. I've got so many of these in the fridge already, so I didn't get those. 5C, Skin & Company Aroma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. Ooh, I already took that in the bathroom, I think, or did I? Nope. Okay. Skin & Co., if you recall my recent VIB order, Sephora VIB order, I showed you that little tiny bottle with the stopper and the clear serum and the little blue. Well, that's Skin & Co. also. I assume it's the same thing, but that's what it's called. And this is called Truffle Therapy Face Toner. While I was a little concerned about the smell, because truffles are mushrooms after all, that goes for $30. And I don't really have a toner right now, I don't think. Not bad. Not bad. So it's real watery like a toner. Oh no, smells not bad at all. Yay. Yay for no smell. Okay. And the last group is 6. 6A is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair for $30. And 7 is the Harper & Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse for $16. And the Humankind Body Souffle for $18. I think those are the ones that everybody gets. Yeah, must be, because here's the Aveda. Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Let me see what the smell is on that. Whew. It's a little smelly. Yeah, it's a little smelly for me, but we'll see when I, use it in the shower. And let me see, this must be Humankind Body Souffle. And it says natural. Doesn't say anything about a fragrance. Guess we'll find out. I just hope I don't spray it up my nose this time. A lot of people commented on that. Almost. Except it was my hand that time. Glad I didn't hold it up to my face. It's not super stinky. It's actually got a little, something real familiar. Like a product I use that has the same smell. Yeah, I can't tell you what it is. It's a little stinky, but for me. And you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, when I say it's a little stinky for me, you know that means that most of you aren't even going to notice it. I am mighty fragrance sensitive. Alright, so the other thing that's in here must be these sugar cubes, which I've been curious to see. Huh. And it's interesting because it said exfoliating sugar cubes in juice cleanse. Oh, I thought it was going to be something was in the jar. But so I guess that there's a juice cleanse like built in here. It's they're smooshable. Yeah. They smell like smell that, boo-boo, since we don't have Jasmine here today. Ooh, there's something fruity. I can't identify it. Let me see if it says on here anywhere. It says exfoliating sugar cubes, and I'm not sure. Oh, the print on that is minute, so I'm not sure. Let me see if they say anything about whether it's a face or body. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower while leaving a yummy scent. I guess that means a body exfoliation. That actually is very convenient, because the one I have, the body exfoliator that I have and love, is in a jar where, it's in like a flat jar where the top is hard to get off, then you got to stick your hand in there and then, put it all over you. And this would actually be more convenient because you just grab a cube out of there before you get in the shower and then just exfoliate away with it while you're taking a shower. So that, if it works, we'll see. Okay. And I think that's about it. What is our, this has become such a great magazine over the years. It really has. They show all these different ways of wearing the scarf, most of which won't work for me because I have no neck. And then they show how to Marie Kondo your wallet, which I guess is take out everything that you don't need. They have the article about Meghan Trainor. And I saw something else cool back here. It's never too late to eat healthy, change your career, finding your own happiness. Really nice articles. And member spotlights, which is pretty cool. And even like eating stuff in the back. Pretty cool. I mean, it is, in the beginning, it was like, what's in here? And then they used to do a charity per quarter. I didn't see that in here, but it might have been in here. And then you got your cover story. But now it's like all sorts of content that's pretty useful. And of course, it always comes with the Fresh, is it the Fresh Kitchen? Hello Fresh, $80 gift card. And let me make sure, but I think that's everything. What's this? Oh, $15 off your first box. That's $200 value for $34.99. Oh, you get $10 off if you use my number. I'll talk about something else in a minute. Okay, so my number is Y2-4SCP if you want to use it. Now, what I want to talk about briefly is how disappointed I was recently when FABFITFUN told me I had 3 free boxes to give away, and I'd never done that, so I thought, well, let me go ahead and do it. What's going to hurt? So I posted it on Facebook, and 3 of my friends, and at least 2 of them were YouTube people, responded and said, yeah, I've always wanted to try it. And so I gave FABFITFUN their email addresses. And instead of just sending out a sample box, which is not this full $40 box, but instead of just sending out a sample box, they had the nerve to charge my friends $5 each for shipping. And when they paid that, if they chose to pay, one of them didn't, but if they chose to pay that $5 shipping, it automatically enrolled them in the subscription. That is some shady shit, and I called them on it. As soon as I heard that from my friends, I emailed them, and I told them this is some shady shit, and, I am never going to give away a free box again. I'm never going to give you any business again if this is the way you're going to operate. And I never really, if I heard back, I didn't see the email, but there are emails that I miss because I get so much stuff. Anyhow, rant over. All right. Ooh, sorry, this is almost 20 minutes. Take care. Be well. And always be yourself, no matter what the season. And we're getting into fall now. I can't wait for cooler weather. Today it is hot, stinking hot. But we've had some really, really lovely days since Dorian passed us by. Take care.